Hey guys, I'm here today to start a new Flipstarter. This is going to be a 7-part guide for absolute beginners to Bitcoin and to Bitcoin Cash. This is one of the most ambitious Flipstarters that has ever been done on this platform. And when you see the amount that I'm asking for, you might be a little suspicious and you might be a little surprised, but just bear with me on this. The amount that I'm asking for has over 9 digits in it. 0.00863624, approximately $5 US. Now look, before you call this a cash grab, let me tell you what my 7-part beginner Bitcoin series really is all about. The project is a 7-part video series focused on using cryptocurrency as a peer-to-peer cash. The aim? To help newcomers understand why cryptocurrency is so important.
What are you reading there, buddy?
Oh, don't worry about that. This series would be a resource for people to understand how and why to use cryptocurrency as a peer-to-peer electronic cash, and how to make it part of our daily life. Once my project is funded, you're not gonna have to wait 5 months for me to produce results. And I pledge right here and right now that if you ask me about it on Twitter, I won't block you. Now look guys, the reason you're not gonna have to wait 5 months for me to produce my Flipstarter is because my 7-part video series is actually already ready to go. I'm asking for $5, and within 5 seconds of getting funded, it'll be available for you to watch. So you might be asking, hey Mark, where is that $5 you're raising going to? Well, that's an excellent question, and I intend to be 100% transparent. Now that means that my $5 coming from you, my investors, will leave me with negative $145 to fund this project. Overall, I think that's a pretty good deal. Now look, all jokes aside, which there are a lot of them, this video series that I made is serious, and a lot of effort, time, and people went into the creation of it. I hope that this beginner series that I made will help people who are like me, scared of new technology, not knowing how to start, not knowing even where to ask for help. It will give them a tool set to go through and get interested and involved in crypto and Bitcoin Cash. The video follows Belle, who is a Thai girl who has no experience with Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash or any cryptocurrency. Anyway, I won't ruin the entire video for you, but I am excited to launch the most ambitious Flipstarter in all of history. The link to the Flipstarter is below in the description. Thank you guys for watching this. And yes, this is real. This is a real 7-part video series that I've made, and I can't wait to share it with the world to get them interested in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and cryptocurrency. So thanks so much, guys, and I'll talk with you soon.
So stupid.